dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. The third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
There's a young man. He's full of dreams. Dreams that are not just fleeting thoughts, but deeply ingrained aspirations that drive him every single day. He stands at the cusp of his future, gazing out with a sense of purpose and determination. He's not afraid to work hard. He's forward-thinking and optimistic. In the quiet moments at his desk, he meticulously plans and strategizes, knowing that every small step is a building block towards his larger goals. His optimism fuels his relentless pursuit of excellence. This young man understands that success doesn't happen overnight. Late nights spent studying, countless hours dedicated to mastering his craft, and the unwavering commitment to continuous learning are all part of his journey. He knows that each challenge he faces is a stepping stone to his ultimate success. He knows it takes planning, dedication, and a clear vision for the future. With a planner in hand and a whiteboard filled with ideas, he maps out his path, ensuring that every action he takes is aligned with his long-term vision. His dedication is evident in the meticulous notes and plans he creates. He's not content to simply drift through life. He wants to make a difference, to leave his mark on the world. Whether it's through inspiring speeches or community service, he actively seeks opportunities to impact those around him positively. His actions are a testament to his desire to create meaningful change. This young man is a builder, a creator, a visionary. On the construction site, he lays the foundation for tangible structures, while at the computer, he designs innovative solutions. His dual ability to both envision and execute sets him apart as a true visionary. He sees the world not as it is, but as it could be. With architectural blueprints in hand and a VR headset exploring new ideas, he constantly pushes the boundaries of what's possible. His imagination knows no limits, and he is always seeking new ways to turn his visions into reality. He embraces challenges as opportunities for growth, and setbacks as valuable lessons learned. Whether climbing a mountain or solving a complex problem on his computer, he approaches each obstacle with a mindset geared towards growth. Every setback is a lesson, every challenge an opportunity to become stronger and wiser. His optimism is contagious, inspiring those around him to strive for greatness. In team meetings and group settings, his positive energy uplifts everyone. His leadership is not just about guiding others, but also about inspiring them to believe in their own potential and to reach for their own dreams. He is the embodiment of potential, a testament to the power of a determined spirit. Receiving awards and standing proudly in front of completed projects, He exemplifies what it means to turn potential into reality. His journey is a powerful reminder of what can be achieved with determination and hard work. This essay is for him, for the young man who dreams big, works hard, and never gives up. For the one who sees the future not as a distant possibility, but as a canvas waiting to be painted with his aspirations and achievements. This is a tribute to his unwavering spirit and boundless potential. He understands the importance of a roadmap. He breaks his journey into 10-year milestones. Each milestone represents a significant step towards his ultimate goal. It's not about rigidity, but about direction. This approach provides him with a framework for growth, allowing him to measure his progress and make adjustments along the way. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. This young man knows that his path may not always be linear, but having a plan gives him a sense of purpose. It helps him stay focused on his goals, even when faced with adversity. These milestones become beacons, guiding him towards his desired destination. He's drawn to various fields. Construction, with its tangible results, appeals to his desire to build. The intricacies of electrical work fascinate him. The essential nature of plumbing intrigues him. He sees the value in each of these fields, recognizing the vital role they play in our society. But his curiosity doesn't stop there. The medical field, with its potential to heal and alleviate suffering, calls to his compassionate nature. Law, with its focus on justice and fairness, resonates with his strong moral compass. The complexities of finance intrigue his analytical mind. He knows that each field offers unique challenges and rewards.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. It'll help your son, your mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
He understands a fundamental truth: a fulfilling life requires more than just financial success. It demands passion, purpose, and a genuine love for what you do. He refuses to chase a paycheck at the expense of his happiness. He knows that true success lies in finding a career that brings him joy. He's seen the consequences of choosing a path solely for its earning potential. He's witnessed the disillusionment and unhappiness that can result from a lack of passion. He's determined to avoid that fate. He believes that work should be more than just a means to an end. It should be a source of fulfillment, a way to make a meaningful contribution to the world. Section 5. Building a solid foundation. He's drawn to the skilled trades. Construction, electrical, and plumbing offer not just stability but also the satisfaction of creating something tangible. He sees the value in working with his hands, in mastering a craft that has been passed down through generations. He recognizes the demand for skilled labor in these fields. He knows that these careers require dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. He's not afraid of long hours or physically demanding tasks. He understands that true craftsmanship takes time and effort. He's willing to put in the work to become an expert in his chosen field. Section 6. Navigating complex challenges. In this section, we delve into the journey of a young professional who is constantly seeking to push the boundaries of his knowledge and skills. He's also drawn to professions that challenge his mind. These fields are not just jobs to him, they are arenas where he can test his limits and grow intellectually and emotionally. The medical field, with its constant advancements and life-or-death decisions, both fascinates and humbles him. He is captivated by the idea of being at the forefront of medical innovation, where every decision can have profound implications on someone's life. Law, with its intricate arguments and pursuit of justice, appeals to his sense of fairness and his desire to make a difference in the lives of others. The courtroom, with its high stakes and complex legal battles, is a place where he feels he can truly make an impact. Finance, with its complex systems and ever-changing landscape, intrigues his analytical mind. The world of finance is a puzzle he is eager to solve, where understanding market trends and economic indicators can lead to significant breakthroughs. He knows that these fields are demanding, requiring years of education and intense dedication. The path to mastery is long and arduous, filled with late nights of studying and countless hours of practice. He's prepared to put in the time and effort necessary to succeed. He understands that success is not handed out freely. It is earned through relentless hard work and perseverance. He understands that expertise in these professions comes at a cost, but he's willing to pay it. The sacrifices he makes today are investments in his future, and he is ready to forego short-term pleasures for long-term gains. He sees the value in challenging himself, in constantly striving to learn and grow. To him, every challenge is an opportunity to become better, to push his boundaries and to achieve new heights. He believes that personal growth is a lifelong journey, and he is committed to walking that path with determination and resilience. Collaboration and teamwork are also crucial elements in navigating these complex challenges. He values the insights and perspectives of others, knowing that great achievements are often the result of collective effort. Networking and continuous learning are integral parts of his strategy. By connecting with other professionals and staying updated with the latest developments in his field, he ensures that he remains at the cutting edge of his profession. Amidst all the hustle, he also takes time for self-reflection and mindfulness. He understands the importance of mental well-being and makes it a point to balance his professional ambitions with personal health. Every milestone achieved, every success celebrated, is a testament to his hard work and dedication. These moments of triumph fuel his passion and drive, motivating him to aim even higher. As he navigates these complex challenges, he remains focused on his goals, always planning his next steps and looking ahead with determination. He knows that the journey is just as important as the destination, and he is committed to making the most of every moment. Section 7. The currency of expertise. He understands that success, regardless of the chosen path, requires dedication and a commitment to excellence. He's not content to simply be average. He strives to be the best he can be. He knows that knowledge is power and that expertise is valuable. He's willing to put in the time and effort to master his craft. He seeks out mentors, learns from the best, and constantly seeks to improve his skills. He embraces challenges as opportunities for growth, and he never shies away from hard work. He understands that the path to mastery is a marathon, not a sprint, and he's in it for the long haul. Section 8. Shaping Tomorrow's World. In this chapter, we delve into the aspirations and endeavors of the younger generation, who are poised to redefine our future. Their energy, creativity, and relentless drive are the cornerstones of tomorrow's innovations. This young man, with his vision, his plan, and his unwavering determination, represents the future. His meticulous approach and bold ideas are not just dreams, they are blueprints for a new era. He symbolizes the spirit of a generation that is ready to take on the world. He is one of many young people who are ready to step up to build a better tomorrow. These young individuals come from diverse backgrounds, bringing a wealth of perspectives and experiences. Together, they form a mosaic of talent and ambition, united by a common goal: to create a world that is more inclusive, innovative, and sustainable. They are the innovators, the problem solvers, the ones who will shape the world we live in. Whether they are engineers testing new prototypes or creative teams brainstorming solutions, their work is paving the way for groundbreaking advancements. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible, driven by a desire to make a meaningful impact. They are not afraid of hard work, they are not deterred by challenges, and they are not limited by the status quo. These young professionals and students often work late into the night, fueled by passion and a sense of purpose. They tackle difficult projects with determination, knowing that their efforts today will lead to a better tomorrow. They are the embodiment of hope, of progress, of a brighter future. Their involvement in sustainability projects and community initiatives showcases their commitment to making a positive difference. They lead with optimism, inspiring others to join them in their quest for a better world. They are the ones who will build the bridges, cure the diseases, and solve the problems that have plagued humanity for generations. In laboratories and construction sites, these young scientists and engineers are laying the foundations for a future where today's challenges are met with innovative solutions. Their work is a testament to their dedication and ingenuity. Their journey will be long and it will be fraught with challenges, but their impact will be immeasurable. As they hike challenging trails and overcome obstacles in their projects, they learn resilience and perseverance. These experiences shape them into leaders who are ready to face the complexities of the future. They are the future, and the future is bright. Their smiles and hopeful faces are a reflection of their confidence in the path they are forging. With every successful project, they move one step closer to a world that is more connected, more compassionate, and more innovative. The future they are shaping is not just a possibility, it is a promise.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.
Takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds.